Okay, so in this question, we've been asked which polymer has a chiral monomer. So we've been given 4 polymers and we have to find which of these has a chiral monomer. So here first let's see what these polymers look like. So these are the polymers and these are the monomers. Now let's check which of these monomers have a chiral carbon. Okay, so in the first case, let's look at this C. Since it is forming a double bond with CH2, it cannot be chiral because 2 bonds are with the same group of atoms. And as for this C, it has 2 hydrogens attached to it, so it cannot be chiral, right? In the second case, again, there are double bonds and C has 2 H2 attached to it, so it cannot be chiral. So bunions does not have chiral monomers. Now let's check for neoprene. In this case, again, this carbon has 2 hydrogen atoms attached to it, so does this one. And in this case, it's forming double bonds, so again, it cannot be a chiral carbon. So neoprene does not have a chiral monomer either. Now let's check for nylon 6,6. In this case, again, this carbon is forming a double bond with O, which makes it not chiral. And similarly, this one is also attached to 2 H2s, H, so it is not chiral. Similarly, this one, so it is not chiral. In the next case, again, N is attached to 2 hydrogens, so it cannot be chiral. And C is also attached to 2 H2s, so it cannot be chiral, right? So this cannot be chiral. Again, nylon 6,6 does not have chiral carbons. Now let's check for the last one, PHBV. In this case, let's look at this carbon. Alright, so see, this carbon has one CH3 group attached to it, one OH group attached to it, one H attached to it, and one COOH group attached to it, right? So it is chiral. Now let's check for the other monomer. Again, this carbon, and the carbon which is chiral is represented by a star sign. Now let's check the other one. Again, it has a C2H5 group attached to it, an OH group attached to it, an H attached to it, and a COOH group attached to it. So it is also chiral. Therefore, PHBV is the polymer which has chiral molecules. Sorry, chiral monomers. Thank you.